Ever wondered how to clean your outdoor kitchen safely and effectively? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to talk about just that. Outdoor kitchen cleaning, though often overlooked, is crucial for maintaining a sanitary cooking space and prolonging the life of your outdoor appliances. We'll cover everything from the importance of regular cleaning to the tools you'll need, and even a step-by-step cleaning guide. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Stay tuned as we delve into the ultimate guide to get your outdoor kitchen sparkling clean. Before you get started, gather all the necessary cleaning tools and products. You'll need brushes of varying sizes for those hard-to-reach places and sponges for wiping surfaces, not forgetting a good pair of gloves to protect your hands. Cleaning solutions are essential, but remember, we're outdoors. We need to consider the environment. Opt for eco-friendly cleaning products that will get the job done without harming our ecosystem. With these tools and products at hand, you're ready to tackle your outdoor kitchen cleaning. Now that you have everything you need, it's time to get cleaning. Let's kick things off by removing any loose dirt or debris from all surfaces. This includes countertops, floors, and appliances. A good old-fashioned broom and dustpan work wonders here. Next, we'll move on to scrubbing the surfaces. For this, you'll need a mixture of warm water and a gentle detergent. Use a non-abrasive scrub brush and work in small circular motions. Pay special attention to any stubborn stains or stuck-on grime. Now let's tackle the appliances. Be sure to unplug any electrical appliances before you begin. Wipe down the outside with a damp cloth, then clean the inside according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remember, proper maintenance can prolong the life of your appliances. After the appliances, it's time to focus on the grill. Remove the grates and soak them in a solution of warm water and dish soap. While they're soaking, clean the inside of the grill with a grill brush. Then, rinse and dry the grates before putting them back. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches. Wipe down all surfaces one last time with a clean, dry cloth. This will ensure your outdoor kitchen shines and is free from any residue. And there you have it. Your outdoor kitchen is now spotlessly clean and ready for your next cookout. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've underscored the importance of regular cleaning for your outdoor kitchen. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about safety and longevity of your space as well. We've also identified the essential tools and products you'll need, from brushes to eco-friendly cleaners. Lastly, we've walked through a step-by-step guide to ensure every nook and cranny gets the attention it deserves. Thank you for watching. Remember, a clean outdoor kitchen not only looks great, but also ensures a safe and enjoyable cooking experience. Until next time, happy cleaning!